Hi folks, welcome to Telford. I'm here at the Airfix stand because they have announced a 1/24 scale Messerschmitt Bf109G 5G6. Right, we're at Telford and I've managed to drag Dale away from this brand new 1/24 scale Messerschmitt Bf109G 5/G6. Why a Messerschmitt, Dale?
I mean, it was the obvious choice.
Was it the obvious choice?
For the next one, and it's not another Spitfire.
It's not another Spitfire,
So,
though in the video you placed the roundel.
We like having a bit of play,
fun,
but no. So we knew we wanted to do the 109 after the Mark 9 and obviously the Mark 8 after that. So. See, it's not our first soiree into 109s,
no.
But that was a long time ago, and we know we could do a far better job now. So that was the main reason. And if you're not going to do a 109 straight after the Mark 9, then when are you going to do it?
Exactly.
So we thought let's just get it out of the way, and then we can look at. Well, obviously we already know what we're doing next, but then maybe we can do something a little bit different or whatever. But it was the obvious choice, and. Ultimately, at the end of the day, we've got to make commercial decisions. So, whilst we'd love to do something a little bit off the wall, and obviously we do occasionally, gannets can be described as off the wall stalwarts and things.
Yes, definitely,
Then that certainly was. We know it's going to sell. So,
fair play. Very interesting schemes. So again. You seem to have a pattern forming where you are picking schemes to tell a story of the aircraft. So you did it with the Sea King, and you did it with, which one did you do it with something else, didn't you? But this one here, the top three schemes that you've got, German captured, then American, and then you've got RAF.
So we did it with the 48 scale Sea King. All four schemes were from the same airframe. We've done it with the Wessex. Two of those schemes are the same airframe. The recent re-release of the PR19 48 scale Spit. They're all the same airframe. And it's gone down very well that we've been doing it. So Clint, our researcher, has done an absolutely amazing job on this. And to find one airframe that looked quite different for its life was like, well, we've got to do it. But also importantly, that they look different, and we've got enough information to support being able to do those decal schemes. So those three decal schemes are then two slightly different German ones.
Where did you? I presume you scanned this BF109. Which is it based off?
We would have scanned a number of these. I know the boys went out to Germany.
Germany.
To go and scan one.
Fantastic.
I'm not sure I can say where they went, but
that's fine.
they make some modern stuff. So I know they went down there and did some scanning bits and pieces. So.
Fantastic. Superb box art, by the way. Really tidy. Where's that scene from?
That is the Med.
The Mediterranean. Fantastic.
Because the scheme A, box scheme, the one that was later captured, was operating down sort of Italy, which is how the Americans got hold of it. And then I guess when they were done ragging it around, they gave it to us. So how you doing?
£99.95, again under that £100 mark. England or India? India, fair enough. That's okay. Don't say more. One other question I was going to ask you was, when you go in to develop one of these, is there a state of play where you're thinking of keeping it to under so many parts, or do you hit a level? Because this is a Series 17 kit, isn't it?
Which matches the Mark 9.
Which matches the Mark 9.
Yeah, so with every new product that we develop, we know that there is a sweet spot of part count.
Yes.
So obviously we would have been looking at the Mark 9 part count, knowing how much that cost a tool, and how many tools we had, but also knowing the production cost of all of that. So that was our sweet spot. But with every new kit that we design, we're looking to do one better. So if you like the look of the Mark 9, you should love the look at this. Even if you're not a 109 fan, you should appreciate the detail and everything. Matt, our head of development for Airfix, this is his first, unlikely only 124 scale kit.
Yeah.
Where were we?
Matt was his first related to 124 scale.
So obviously,
and his last.
He's been an Airfix designer for a long time now, and he just kept on adding stuff in, working with Clint as well, and they just so the detail, which you can see slightly behind me and on our website and everywhere else, is phenomenal.
The engine's fantastic.
Yeah.
I noticed that the first 47 steps of the instructions is just the engine. And you don't even have to do that if you don't want to, because you can have it with or without the engine. Yeah. Fantastic.
And Matt has gone off and upscaled the engine and 3D printed it just for here. It's not here yet, but which is going to be the biggest tease for everyone, because everyone's going to ask for it.
Yeah,
but that'd be interesting. There's different cockpit configurations. Guns and bits and pieces, the drop tank as well. So
sorry about that. It'll be the edit at the end.
There's a lot going for it, and obviously this is the second kit that we've added a masking set to.
Yes, that's my next question. There's 2 masking sets. There's one that's in the box, but you've also got one at a later date.
The
same date, is it? Is there anything different to that masking set that you're selling separately to this one?
Yes. So the reason for there being 2 is we run out of space on the biggest sheet that was available to us. So and we wanted to, if someone's messed their masking sheet up, we wanted them to be able to go and buy a masking sheet. So the masking set that you get in the kit has got everything apart from internal masks.
Right, okay.
There's masks for crosses on the side of the fuselage, there's masks for the spirals, different spirals, and that takes up a huge amount of space. So it's not just clear masks, there's also painting masks. And then, because we wanted to do one that's essentially a sort of a spare part, without all the painting masks, it made the sheet the same size as the line sander, and then we realised that we could then add internal masks as well.
Fantastic.
So for those that want and do use internal masks, not everyone does, then there's an option for you. So and that will be available at the same time as we start releasing kit. So first time we've done that. So the masking sets included in the kit are cartograph. The flying dray masking sets were from our friends in the Czech Republic.
Okay.
So that's the first as well. So.
Yeah, brilliant. What is your favourite scheme for this one? Because you are going to build one, aren't you? You are going. He's going to build this one. He told me.
Well, I have another 2 weeks off. I like the RAF one.
Yeah, and the reason is because I said that. The Messerschmitt has always been off my radar because I hate modelling. I think it looks crap, and when I've done it, it's crap. But to do one in RAF, because RAF with that yellow, because I think yellow looks better than egg sky, any day. Because I presume if it's yellow, it's trainer as well, isn't it? Or testing. They put your testing. But I think that's the scheme I'm going to go for. But saying that, I do like the canopy on the 6 Tropical. I think it's Erla. That's right, Erla. Is it Erla? Yes, I think it's called Erla. And so it's where they manufactured the planes, actually. I think Clint was saying it was where they manufactured the planes, but I'll get him on in a minute anyway.
I'm not going to pretend I'm
not
an expert at any time. I was just about to say, I love the RAF scheme.
Yeah.
But I think that canopy is sexy.
Because it's a fully open canopy. It's not just in the middle open. It's the full works. And I've seen, as I said, I've done video of the all 5 of them built. But anyway, congratulations, Dale and team. I think this is a fantastic release. And if you want to buy one of these Messerschmitts or get them on pre-order, there'll be a link in the description box below, and I'll put one in the comments where you can get one for £99.95 with a masking set too. So deal of the year, that one, mate. Thanks, Dale, again.
No worries.
Have a great Telford, my friend. God bless you.
Bye.
Cheers. Well, that's me done for Friday's vlog. And I'll be back tomorrow, Saturday, doing some more footage and putting out another vlog. But as again, like I said, huge congratulations to Airfix on producing such a fantastic 1/24 scale kit. They have everything in their range out, basically. I see that the Vosper is now in stock now as well. That was announced this morning as well, that they're in stock, so if you ordered one of them, grab one. But I'll be back hopefully tomorrow for another day at Telford. See you then. And I'll be back tomorrow for another day at Telford. By the way, if you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below, because I do reply. Mark! Everybody, hang on a minute, hang on, I'll be right there. Huge shout out to my channel members who help me financially with this channel. If you'd like to become a member, click join below. Select which membership tier you so wish. And again, I'll see you tomorrow at Telford. I'm just going to do a test first to make sure this is all working. Is that working?
Is it working?
Is it working?
Is it working?
Is it working? Yeah.
Us. But it's all rubbish. That's okay. Yeah, that's okay.
Thank you.
Oh.
Lights are plugged into the mains, presumably?
Uh-huh.
Good. That means you've got power.
Yeah. There's a hamster behind the stand.
Yeah.
No, thank you.
That'll be in the edit as well.
That's fine.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. I'll shake to that. I get up now and the audio's fucked.
Oh, you need to.
Yeah, these are brilliant. Miss Modley uses these.